Hi everyone, this is Carlos with the Emacs Science Support Team, and today we are going to be looking at PandExo. PandExo is a JWST and HST simulator. So what this tool does is it simulates what these instruments right here will be able to do. As you can see, they provided us with an interactive Jupyter notebook and also a web application. The web application looks like this. You can pick your favorite telescope, hit new calculation, and then you just go through all the steps. And the interactive Jupyter Notebook button looks like this. It takes us to this repository where we can look at all of these notebooks. We're going to be looking at the first one. So this notebook will simulate transiting exoplanets noise. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to import our modules. We're going to make sure to import this guy right here. I thought this was pretty clever. Just do it. Anyways, so first thing we'll do is we will load in this blank exoplanet dictionary, and then we are going to input some stellar and planetary parameters. And if you come over here, you are essentially doing the same thing. But anyways, step 2, now we will load in an instrument dictionary. So here we're picking the instrument we want to work with. For this case, we're using WFC 3G141. Now we will edit the instrument's parameters. So here we are doing that. Next thing we'll do, we're going to run it real good. And now we just go ahead and run what we asked for, and it will give us all of these values. So as you can see here, it tells us the number of the orbits, it tells us about the first orbit, and yeah, all of these useful things for all you astronomers out there. And then they just kind of show you different ways to go about simulating that noise. And again, it pretty much matches up with their web application. So yeah, super short tutorial today, guys. I hope you guys will check out PandExo. It's super useful and super easy to use, and they provide us with tons of tutorials, which makes it very user-friendly. So yeah, that is PandExo. If you guys have any questions, feel free to slide into our DMs on Twitter at Exoplanet Models, or you can email us as well at this email address way up here. There you go.